say setema manya na yesrem enye ho nimum lower manya ho na asemi asia o enche se PBS for no eni omo edi ni ye wo ho a utua o light bill kra utua o bills bibia correct but be na ya betwa light me betwa light me na eno no omo che se adoso do etino omo eko omo office wo omo kukum receipt e de kwa kire omo se ade na omo ne omo ye na nam kwam enum na entiase anya adwuma aye ntokwa gidigidi am se police for PM na enipa ni bia prepare earlier na nya report enipa 7 but igusu ene ne kasa ye no wo chese police ni akwa tutu out me say live bullet ama abo bi ne namu ama ya tam na to kam rush to the hospital cc antino ye be me ye ne di sa development we achi na de be PM ababia anso no yensi mo aso ye be mama aso atenina 106.3 FM na wasugusu awuti just when we share show us with all the excitement ne ade na fi na ibiza babasia so we ba say the TV ano say timi to aso na ye call ye nim every Wednesday bia no nim say ye ne your friends say enuan ma bruchi for ne din komo but ye beto aso na ya hwe say ye betimi enyomo ayenti numbers to call no 0302 2165610 0302 2165662 na pacho organ ha dia mefre e ya bruchi for no Wednesdays omna e omodia na almost ntimi friend omo na nyame ase o fedi kan e wo e Ofie Kwanso dwumedie so na as we move on no ene maton safre prophet kumchacha so omra studio na pese me ne kasa said ya na me show na se amekasa me wo problem sasem bi hamia na ma bie mu no na enne sa asem ne ha me no me pese me ne sa papa no e address sa issue no enti as we move on your fa course na brochi funding we will get to that issue as well na ya bowuram na ya biebim ne ahwe baby no so e de bekosi tipacho mo amutien wo any of the European countries mo amutien wo UK mo amutien wo Asia potem wo mo amwo US mo amwo Canada mo amwo Australia Middle East for ni nyina ye checha mu na mo so amwo any of the African countries with the exception of Ghana tipacho this is the time I'll be to me afre now so adanya me ase 0302 216 561 afi 0302 216 562 we any numbers I'll be to me afre na also waba Ofie Kwanso dwumedi eso na yetimi eti unaja the opes also the radio ase no wetimi ahwe na wa aye no sa pepepe. Hello, good afternoon, Wagana. Hello. Good afternoon. Patrick Frost saying.
I'm Patrick from Nana, I'm from London.
You, Nana, Patrick, it's you.
Yeah, everything I'm asking. Jam Penso, dear Bedri, Sudan Funny, the man of that. Captain so far, no, and Tiatin Company, by all the same, no, but a funny nephew, dear, but yeah. Nyamena only in India or Yentino. We dear. The Martini Manso, I'm Mobama Ghana, mine.
You, yeah, that's a pan patrol. Where the Abusian for me, do not your phones, why?
My sister, your friend Matilda, or Ben, and Miss Madame back on your friend Atari or Amsterdam. This time you at the mom.
All right. Amuna Edasi, and so that's a power for your call. If I try come I do a humano so di fie lo amanyano se Eastern Regional PR no a confirm it say ampa say bibisa e koso but ye man break akra say be ono so betimi ene edinkita ho afa sa situation we e ho tie guso e be si be mama so ate. Hello, next caller, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Patro your first say na ka say free him.
Patro your friend me Justina me kasa free London.
Okay, sister Justina Kwaba Patro with you.
Thank you so much. To be honest, I just sort of trying and it's just gone through. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. But I just want to thank God for my life.
All right.
The life of my children, the life of my mom, the life of my sisters. My sister is in South Sudan peacekeeping. I pray for God's protection of her life. My mom, Grace Darko, my sister, I'm just too excited to be online. But I mean, I just thank God for everybody in my life. Amen.
Amen. Yes, we are that's a powerful, coming on the show. But I'm saying, be jam more. Na enipa mienu ana me nse bia person cham na watch out. Oh, I think she's gone. All right, yen twaso na yen fa next caller. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost say na ka se free.
Patrick from Yawusu make us free Ohio Columbus.
Right, eja ya mo akwa ban Patrick enti o.
Patrick me dan nyame ase wo mpempe so odi me abedui. The hwe ne oma bia wa ye wo mablabo ma na soronko kra. Emfa na ni onyam ma obi a ono nkwa ne a me de na ni onyam be ma no. Be dana se pa.
Amen.
Na me fa kwa nya iso atia. Me yere ewo akra so aduro. So we are ewo my best friend Isaac ewo akra so aduro. And I'm my man I came kwa ben.
All right.
So what show when you are so mommy.
Okay. Omuna da was why. All right. Yes, we that's a power for your call. 17 more minutes to 4 on 106.3 FM. You go so na near there my pro sponsors no so near the shishim. Feco spray star chunya bi the twata there my iron here very easy crowd them out. Umi agusu kakra na atade ne near dada kra na nia ye mono. But we na ja nice fragrance or water de no to when you perfume cry you are good to go. A sopan to spray a chance and asa. Obia hwehwe Feco spray star checha kwan fan to na atade se be obetimi looking sharp. Another quality product from Samara Company Limited. They are available at shops and stores and supermarkets out on you. Hello, next caller. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother. You say?
Me patron me hoye pa na won so e. You, you're from saying I can say free. Okay. Italy fan away. All right. Me patron into it.
Oh, be there like that. Telling my men and papa near Lucia for Ghana police for more true so attend the no more to come. Telling my men and papa near Lucia for NC Bonibian for moon. If you the Namias, some more, some more, by money, come or body DNA, and I come for Jinami Shram or Jumapa, more the boy. If you are having seen if Jumaba, I regretted Nani did DNA. Yami Shram, no more. Now, be a baby, should be a Sediano, and Frimuso.
Amen. Meanwhile, that's a pioneer. I mean, short. She abusia for na influence you. Why?
Yo, me tia Ghana for my Yankopon shower. Mo be a kwako wa Yankopon kano ho.
Wow.
Ghana nkwa na ate se afishia ye bobo nipa ewu ema ye cancer ma ewu abrochire bi ni ha. Me shirenya me shira de Ghana for my nyina.
All right. That's so kind of you. Yeah, that's a pioneer. Me inshira won so. Yento aso yen fa next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
Bemena, you're from saying.
But you're from Amos School, no?
Amos Casafri.
But you make a see to go look Talave.
Togo Dien. Talave.
But
hey, what do you mean you movement Talave, Crada?
Our Benny, bye.
Hey, sir, Ode Casa. Talave.
But I am a tattoo, but no man. Oh, no man, but say, I'm out for my head.
Oh, and I didn't call no boko.
The master pass Mamma of National Minister. All right. I'm a tattoo,
okay.
One manager. If you are a reader, I had all
right.
Which down so? My career.
Okay. And then now, Chiabusia form you and say you are Talave or I.
Me chamba pa o achima frade onfa ne beniza ko no ene aprade fo ne akra fo nyina ene Adom FM telephone nyina.
Okay, all right, yeah, that's why di ya chat alave fo nyina yeah say hello
brother.
Good afternoon. Patrick Frost.
Patrick friend comfort we can free Kuwait.
Okay, comfort Patrick mo akwaba you.
Okay, we the nyamia say e pepe so di na bedu. Because according to we say me easy. Yeah, brepa but all the same Nyankopon say so Papa, whom my army just in Cabania, Medina, Amen.
Amen. Yes, we are. That's a papa. Church, you shall phone your phones. Why?
Okay, with young Papa, Mr. Francis, and Kobia, Konongo, Udumasi, with young mamma, so, me now for 4 more conwin now, with your beer.
All right. Bye bye. Yeah, that's it. Pa. Next call and say be fan on your fast dama. Petra Trust for some sucremum na ye de ofedi kan ira dia bro ye na de ma bro chief we. Ose ugusu ye adwuma ye unim se atitu sika sie kakra da cho pension na na ja o better fit Africa kakra but ebia na de ma community ense bi nko yi nti wantimi ahwa verify na ne ya dachi bi abekọ retirement na akoye din de amount nti eso timi the state of your pension contributions na fe kra no watimi afine na say wo employer no otua tier 2 contributions no regularly na fe so kra wahu de your trustee ya dachi obetu your lump sum benefit the amount at retirement when na eso timi checking out nti one wo employer enkasa ne ya na onso watimi ehu trustee no na wa frɛ no na wa verify o details ni na wa correct any irregularities bia ekoba say ode no Petra Trust and manage amount there very simple just pick up your phone and dial *447*70# now I select option 5 now I submit your contact details no for verification for further inquiries wait me call www.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother in me.
Uzu near France.
Yes, Samira. The second lady.
Net to say.
If you have a good year.
Namiadumo.
Wait, you may say, I will see me back. What was it? Monday, the actual on the 20th of May, on your 13 years. Nanka yes, Sebeya, because that Monday was holiday waha.
Oh, okay.
Toronto. But she says so school. It's a remember Facebook now, no, I want to say what we should. Happy birthday, no.
Okay, all right.
Yo, okay. Me danya miswasi. Me tiasi. I hear from me. Yakoba. Me tia me sister. Sister Jenny. One corner on the press, any nana no more, any ma, Mira, Adiza, King, also with me, Bomuni Nadi.
Amen. We shall also. Aje, that's a pie, Yaminkan.
And counsel,
yeah, that's it. That's it. Your fan next caller. Hello.
Hello, Brad.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Me Patrick Frost saying.
Yeah, from Richard, make a free house making.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me Patrick you.
We are so the young say what else. So the me man and man as I continue to Yakupon so much. I did change the code you might know the answer.
Yeah.
But gradually me one problem we should so. We should but of late, I've noticed going over there, for friends too much.
Sound.
Seriously.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's you better de beat me for a while.
Not sample for just to see Canadian, and at least also on which or to me, or to but over there to me can't clean too much. No.
You better de be for a while.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Asa. And no, are you? Yeah, that's a pie. Nyame right, you better so now you fire next. You for last one, right? You for last one. But before that, no, Kojak Pharma Limited. Ono and my Kojak F and then Kojak P toothpaste and a fin mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. There you say, Udi are there, they are not there, chill the pan are there hot. Now, surfing from you can't stand it. Use Kojak F. Toothpaste in the mouthwash in the BJ. Or the any severe pa no ding. Told that crowd choose and now see too much me or yes, obey to Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash no continuously for 4 weeks later. No one switch it to Kojak F. BBR be fine, but open best result. I have a Kojak sensitive toothbrush no account. Na nina so etimi akoye ede amount available our pharmacy shops are doing in them across the country. The door pound Kojak from a share kwan kan drag lane. Yes, free 0249 209 920 and after 0260 870 780. Kratway FDA I muhwe mu agye atum. Yen fa your last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho your friend say.
Me pacho your friend me Benji. Me kasafi tema Nigeria.
Ah, tema Nigeria.
Baby honum na me crop wo.
Me de o kan me ntias you. They say o ka say free.
Me kasafi Nigeria, Ebute State. Lagos.
Na tema yi ade ba mu ye.
Me say me ma me mu wo honum.
Okay, TY. Tema Nigeria.
Your friend me Benji. Me kasafi Ebute State, Lagos. Na mitia me ma me enemy nianom. Yankopon ya Adom. Ene de or the 1 year come my sister home, my sister Medinachi. The friend of Gladys or hine wa ampofo. Or kwa sorry or committee for Presby. Honum no kwa sorry. Me ma memo at tema committee 7. Nti michia mu nyina na me pa ocho brajeri aya na mesne so born in 10 tem nti aya nti mi mfre nti yesre mu aya na maye na ma no
Jina so na me mo no boko ma wai
me pa cho yo
0 3 0
0
2 2 1
1
6 5 6 2 now bit me no 5 6 1
me pacho yo
self bibia boko
nyame adom
yo
nyame adom
yeah that's pa
me chia me busia fo nyina ya mpofo busia wo committee 7 me chia omo na tema committee 4 Presby kwa for choristers ni nyina me chia omo na enche yenfie beba never be the holidays near me. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Nasa ampanyampa oron show ya ni duona si ya na bekaza. When Korea so be free ka say go be trust ya wagaza boko ti say de ni kumusa na de. Oh my goodness. Young fast that it tried to on Emma Guarantee Trust Bank. Yes, GT Bank. And they on a Visa International account boom rewarded customers. You will be making payments with their Visa debit or prepaid cards with an unforgettable AFCON experience. Very simple. If we celebrate our copy the 10th of June 2019, 2 customers on use some Visa cards for a minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions. We need a fun packed trip for 2 to Egypt. Any AFCON group game and as a group stage game of their choice. Now, one lucky customer, we need the ultimate package, and no one say Obe to crime. One in the back. I could him away Egypt. Nah, say players no if he dressing room one year there no more fat tunnel no more be PM or pitch this one. Why escort you on the more bars and they are just or ban why superstar on the superstars in their backfield so right I say. So between June and July, use your GT Bank Visa card to do at least 1 transaction daily for a week and earn a pass to an AFCON viewing party. Transact with your GT Bank Visa card and win. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries, for 050-144-9490. Afi 050-140-9480. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Happy birthday, Encore Emma, Mr. Frank Edu. Mr. Frank Edu, MD, Cal Bank. Openi Nyamisha. Now on your case here. And then a happy birthday also going out to Ruth Techi Boache or Philadelphia in the United States of America. Ruth Techi Boache. Happy birthday to you, baby. And Nyamisha Wati. Sa abaywa we are the H and I bet you what to. Some time ago we had a an issue be abofra bi ana wo cardio issue bi sa ne ade na ye pesa manfo mboan say baby to me akọ ne surgery ne ade and the way this lady helped ne bro adwene ntiase so osan so your nurse ni so san kan happy birthday to you. May God bless your kind heart. Ruth Techi Bwachi. Mama Mary, guys, I see you. I send me a message. I say, hey, Jerry, you are very patient. When you would try, better have us. Jabende, Omuntiani, sorry, your dress better than Auntie. JNSA, Castle BDH. Sorry, I'm far. Isaac Dankwa, Ashaman Zenu, was a brother. I want to thank God for his unconditional love shown to me and my family. Greetings and Koma Tilly of Kolebu. We're King Fori. Osi entieti ko tieti nkrofano e beti afaso oh asema na weekend Chimwa also on Twitter says, hey Jerry, the way you were mentioning the numbers very funny. So wait, so imagine saying Asala. Oh my goodness. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Have a nice day. Where's your wife, Sally? Shouts to all my fans, especially Kwe Edward inside Tema Community Forum, listening to you live at Yesu Adom Cold Store, Suhum Adakwa Station. Greetings going out to you, Jerry. Hope you're good. Yes, I'm fine, by His grace. Wishing you a successful week. And may God bless you. Shouts going out to Isaac Dankwa. Peace and love to you. Kobe Real. I'll see yeah, Brad Jerry. Wednesday Bones Rock. I'm in white too. Big ups to all Wednesday Bones. So the hair show nas midi can catch on. Mene nyaminipa. Kum chacha. Eba chicken komo. Na ene asembi ha me na empempi no so tie dwumedi asa asembi ha me a me ame betnasia na madwudwam na maka eno na ya mesrem. I've always maintained said this show is not for me, it's your own show. Mo muti no mo na show ne amu de ntimi mesrem kwan kakra na me so madwam anum kakra, but ene issue na me person me address no. I want this man to help me because oye nyaminipa one ono so ye prophet sir nyaminipa akwaba